Alright everybody, how's it going? Today is a little bit of a different video. This is just like a test run I'm doing with some new equipment I got. So I have gotten a new audio recorder I'm going to be trying out with some microphones. I'm going to go ahead and show you the setup. But this is the new H4 Essential Zoom recorder. And what's special about this guy is it's 32-bit float. To the guys that are new, theoretically, your audio never peaks and it's always recoverable, even if it's super loud, like a car exhaust. This is a pretty nice, handy recorder we're going to be trying out, and I have two microphones here. So let's go ahead and show you the setup that we got. So we got one microphone on the hood. Okay, I had to adjust some settings. Sorry about that. Alright, so under the hood, you may not see it right away, but we have a little wire here that kind of gives it away. And I stuffed the microphone down in there. It's a cardio dynamic microphone. It's a stereo pair Rode M5. The pickup frequency is from 20 to 20,000 kilohertz. I'm still trying out which location would be better, closer to the blow valve here, or intake side on this side. So a bit of trial and error with the placement of these microphones. And then in the back of the car we have the same exact microphone, and it's on a 6-inch suction cup. It's pretty stable, so I'm not too worried about that. What I am worried about is this little ball screw joint thing right here. So then I just taped off the wire so that it doesn't kind of rattle around. Avoid as much noise as we can. Keep these microphones steady, and we're about maybe 2 feet from the exhaust. I think it should be loud enough for this thing to capture it pretty clearly. So with all that being said, let's go ahead, go for a drive, and see how she sounds. It's gonna be my first time hearing it with you guys. I'll be actually live monitoring it with a pair of headphones here I have. So I'm going to be using these Samsung headphones. These are nice headphones I've had for a while. So I got one wire coming through the trunk. Ideally you'd want to have this mounted somewhere, but I'm using the suction cup to record a video, so I'm just going to keep it in a cup holder. Not ideal, because you don't really want any of these wires coming loose or the whole thing rattling around. So, just gonna lay it right here, put on my headphones, start up the car. Well, let's first hit record, and then I'm gonna try to sync the audio with a loud clap. So this audio from this DJI will sync with this one. So I'm gonna try like a big loud clap. I think that should do it. Or we could try just starting the engine. Alright guys, so I've had some time to go back and review the footage, listen to what the audio sounds like, and I did have a little bit of a problem with the microphone having some wind interference. I thought that might be a problem with the dead cat I got for the microphone, because the dead cat I got for it is not originally meant for this microphone. It's meant for a different microphone. But I am lucky enough that the box that I got included these foam pieces that go over the microphone to also help reduce plosives, or wind noise in this case. So we're going to try to put these on and then have it mounted back here. Mainly for this one here in the back, from what I could hear, there's a lot of wind here in the back, because this is like a really bad area. It's like right up on the side of the car. There's a lot of turbulence here, so all that wind swirling around as you're driving by, the faster you get, the worse it gets. So it's a thing we want to fix. You will hear that, I guess, in the video. I may only put like a little bit of that, but I'm gonna go ahead, fix that now, and then we're gonna go for another drive, see how it sounds. Alright guys, so I forgot to show you what the actual microphone looks like, but this is the Rode M5 microphone. But this is what it looks like. And if I can do this with one hand, I'm going to put the little styrofoam piece on top, and then I'm going to slide it back into the dead cat. So we're going to have double protection against wind, and then I'm going to just put it back in here. So yeah, let's do it. Also, I forgot to mention that this little handy recorder dies pretty fast. This is because of the phantom power I'm using. These microphones are really power hungry. They draw a lot of current, so this thing, the two little alkaline batteries that are in here, just die out pretty quick. So I'm gonna try and use a external battery bank to see if this thing can power this whole device and keep it running for a little bit longer. Hopefully this is a permanent solution. On paper, supposed to be able to record up to 10 hours with these two AA batteries, but I'm assuming in the marketing with no phantom power tested, because I guess when you have phantom power on, each microphone is different with the impedance rating it has, how much power it actually draws. Some interference. I'm not sure if that's the microphone bouncing or that's some wind noise. can like hear the rain puddles when I go through them. Alright, so now we are using the built-in microphone from the Zoom, so we can compare that audio quality to the GoPro audio quality. Which one sounds better? Yeah, I would hope this one sounds better, but you never know. This one does have some handling noise because I'm holding the microphone directly in my hand, so any subtle movements you will hear. But that is also an interesting comparison to make. So maybe in the future, I can have this thing mounted as well and have some cabin noise, maybe some like shifting noise or something. I don't know. Pretty successful test we had. So in the future, I want to make some roller videos, and I'll have audio equipment hooked up to the car we're shooting. Kind of the same deal setup we have here, one in the intake, exhaust, etc. And then I'll be in a film car with my gimbal, and then we'll just be driving around, and yeah, be pretty nice stuff. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you guys next video. Take care and goodbye.